Hello viewers, welcome to IP Service, Learn IT Tips and Troubleshooting. Today I am showing how to download any video from any website. Let's start. First of all, going to Chrome browser to click Google Web Store. Then click extension. Then hit search bar. Type Video Downloader Professional. Then click. Hey, you can add this extension from here. Add to Chrome. Click Add to Chrome. And add extension. Click and pin to the extension bar. Your extension is ready. Then I click new tab and type google.com and search Mixkit. It's one of the best free video website in the world. So we can try to download a video through our extension. Then click done the video and click your extension. Hey, look, your extension ready to download different format. You can choose your download location and save. Then yes, your video download is completed. Oh, your video is playing. It's amazing video and 4K video. You can use this video different website. Thank you for watching IP Service and subscribe us.